Hi everyone, this is Nancy from Masters Treasures, and we want to say that I hope everybody's doing well. I know a lot of people got a lot of rain. Sorry, my eczema is itching, and the best way to scratch it is just up against my leg with I got capris on and against the fabric. So, because if I scratch with my fingers like this, it happens to break the skin open, and then it bleeds and all the yucky stuff. Y'all don't even know about it. It's just itching. So, yes, I'm wishing everybody well that has all the rain, the snow. I love the snow, but when it melts, everybody needs to be prepared. But the rain, oh my goodness, just awful. But I wanted to upload a video. I've got our seeds this weekend. We got them from Lowe's because my son had to go get a drill. So I went to the garden side and we got our seeds. We've got oregano, basil. It'd probably be backwards. So sunflowers, dwarf sunflowers, Roma tomatoes, bell peppers, tarragon, carrots, green onions, beets. This is the National Pickling Cucumber, so I want to make my own pickles. Regular cucumbers, yarrow plants, the flower yarrow, Yarrow, because some ways or another I cannot pronounce it. We got the cypress vine. Yes, Lola one picked this one out. She's one as we're going by, she just pulls it out. Cilantro, regular onions, yellow onions. This is a Texas granite onion right here. Rosemary and peppermint. And peppermint keeps the spiders away. Um, I cannot remember his name just yet, but I will. But you take like 3 cups of water, a teaspoon of dish soap, and then a tablespoon of peppermint. Put it in a spray bottle, and wherever you see the spiders, you just spray. Alan P. Smith. I knew I remember him. That's who I got it from. And you won't see any spiders. It works wonderful. Doesn't work on daddy long legs, but what does work on daddy long legs is garlic and water. Make a garlic water solution, and you won't see any daddy long legs either. So we'll be planting some peppermint around the base outside to make sure the spiders stay away. Because my daughter-in-law just doesn't like spiders. Neither do I. I like them on the outside, but not the inside of my house. Also, let's see, I got a gardening book. It's called Container Gardening. So I haven't read that yet, but that's what I'm deciding to do is containers or do something else. And Sunday, my daughter-in-law just use the ground, and I'm like, it doesn't work that easy, but that's okay. She's learning. So, yeah, just want to give everybody a heads up. Also, we found this at Aldi. It is Seed Sheet Mini, and it's like a mini greenhouse type thing. We're going to try this out too. This will be fun. And yes, am going to have a helper, and we'll try to do a video with us putting the seeds in and everything else. But that is what I want to show everybody tonight. I've been trying to do a video of my lotions, body whip that I make. I've been trying to make that sucker for the last week and a half. And every time I make it, it doesn't upload or it's not recording right. I don't know what's going on. But I think what I might do is just get all the ingredients, sit at the computer and make a video. And I see how that works. Oh, because I did find a camera that I used to use when I did investigation work to take pictures and record and all that. And yeah, uh, that was a no go either. So, with that, I hope everybody's having a wonderful evening. Thank you for stopping by and watching Ash's Treasures. Subscribe, give us a thumbs up, share our channel, and like our videos, and keep coming back. And we'll be enjoying seeing you the next time. Everybody, have a good evening. Later.